We'd like to go over a technique called simple saw starting. Normally firefighters are very quick to place their large boot inside the saw's handle. Unfortunately, the boot being bigger and the handle being small, we have a chance of breaking the handle or kicking the throttle lever out. Most firefighters are inclined to put their boot in here, bend over, and yank very hard up for the saw. This motion can cause damage to the inside saw spring and can also snap the rope. A quick and easy method to develop is simple saw starting. Gently kneel down on the saw in a well-balanced position. Hold the other hand here on the handle and keep it balanced. With the left hand, we're going to gently pull back. Now we're in position to go with the saw. During roof operations, it's very important for a firefighter to cut an inspection hole. We're looking for extension of the fire and the conditions below the roof line below us. There's two simple ways to do this, with a curve cut or a triangular inspection hole. The curve cut is simply bringing the saw up to full RPMs and dropping into the roof and cutting back towards ourselves. When we pull out of the hole, we're going to stop the blade on the roof so we don't injure another fireman. The hole will be the size and width of the saw blade and should give us smoke conditions and fire conditions below us. Our next cut will be a triangular inspection hole. Normally, most firemen think a triangular inspection hole is this, this, and this. Many times they shift their body and move around. We should cut this more like a right triangle. Balance our position in the boxer stance once again. We're going to go 12 o'clock down to 4 o'clock. Then we're going to go 12 o'clock straight to 6 o'clock. Now we're going to connect both lines across the bottom. It's very important that we overlap all our cuts so that the material we cut falls into the roof. Now I'd like to demonstrate how we're going to cut the curve cut and triangular inspection hole. The curve cut is a simple cut, full RPM, and we're going to bring it down to width of the blade. The saw to stop it from spinning so we don't injure another firefighter. Now we have a curve where we can see if any fire is extending or the smoke conditions below us. Now we like to cut a triangular inspection hole. Remember, get in a well-balanced boxer position and we'll perform the cuts. Now you can see we had a perfect triangle for checking smoke and fire conditions below us.
To try and gain access. First off is maybe there's no fire escape. You typically find more deck attached. What we have here is a burglar shutter, so that when that stem to that lock cylinder gets pulled, this slips into place and prevents you from doing what we're going to attempt to do. But by grinding that little edge on that screwdriver, it allows you to stick it in there counterclockwise. It's going to march that burglar shutter over, and boom, we're able to unlock the lock. Next, we're going to actually pull the cylinder and
I started with the university in January of 2011. The university, with its flexibility and the online concept, works perfectly with the schedule of firefighters who work all different hours